What's up, everybody? I'm Brigitte Bidet, and I'm about to show you all the things that I slap on my face to get pretty. This is the liquid eyeliner phase. I like to switch it up and try different products, but one that is tried and true is this NYX liquid eyeliner. I've even rubbed the label off because I use it so freaking much. We wanna get products with nice applicators. This is so thin and precise. Get you some product on the applicator and apply. I like to stare at the mirror when I do it. A lot of people go like this and think they look fierce, and they go like this and it's like, take that line and you take it out to the highest point of your eye. Take it to the end. Then we're gonna draw a line straight up towards the point of the eyebrow. And then connect this part of the eye to that point to make a triangle. And that is your cat eye. If I were to just draw it straight out, it would look like it was going downward, and it would make me look sad. And it's okay to be sad, but just not on the outside. So we take our eyeliner and we snatch it upward. Preventative facelift at 30 years old. Straight out. Fill it in. Now that we've done the ends, we're going to do the lower lid. This one by NYX is so perfect because it's got the skinniest little applicator where we can do those sharp angles. You can do designs with it. You can get super creative, and it's fully pigmented. This product will not only give you the opacity that you need, but it will stay on through sweat. Come rain or come shine, baby. Just make sure you have this product and you'll be fine.